Introduction. Buying property in a foreign country can be an exciting yet daunting experience. Understanding the legalities and processes involved is crucial for a successful purchase. Legal considerations. Before making any purchase, familiarize yourself with the local laws regarding foreign ownership. Some countries have restrictions, while others offer incentives to foreign investors. The buying process. Once you understand the legal landscape, begin the buying process by selecting a reputable real estate agent. Conduct thorough research and due diligence to ensure a smooth transaction. Guide to buying property as a foreigner. Buying a house as a foreigner can be an excellent investment, but it involves specific rules, processes, and potential challenges depending on the country where the purchase is made. Below is a general guide to purchasing property as a foreigner, along with factors to consider. Check local laws. Some countries have restrictions on foreign ownership of property. For example, the U.S. generally allows foreigners to buy property with no restrictions. Some countries, like Thailand, may limit foreign ownership of land but allow ownership of condominiums. Others may impose additional taxes or require special permissions. Residency status. In some countries, owning property may not grant you residency. Ensure you understand the relationship between property ownership and visa or residency requirements. Cash purchase. Many foreigners prefer to buy property in cash, as securing a mortgage can be more challenging. Mortgage for foreigners. Some lenders offer mortgages to non-residents, but requirements can be stricter. You may need a higher down payment, for example, 30 to 50%. A strong credit history in your home country and proof of income are often required. Currency exchange. If purchasing in a different currency, fluctuations in exchange rates can impact the cost. Use a foreign exchange service to minimize costs. Property taxes. Check local property taxes and whether there are additional taxes for foreign buyers. Income taxes. If you plan to rent out the property, be aware of any taxes on rental income. Capital gains tax. Understand the rules around selling the property and any capital gains tax that may apply. Research the market. Learn about property prices, neighborhoods, and the local real estate market. Hire professionals. A real estate lawyer is essential to ensure the transaction is legal and protect your interests. Secure financing. Decide if you'll pay cash or apply for a mortgage and gather the necessary documentation. Make an offer. Once you find the property, work with your agent to submit an offer. Due diligence. Conduct a thorough inspection and title search to verify there are no legal issues or hidden defects. Closing. Sign the purchase agreement, transfer funds, and complete the ownership transfer. A notary or lawyer often oversees the process. Ownership restrictions. Some countries restrict foreign ownership in certain areas, such as near borders or on agricultural land. Long-term costs. Factor in maintenance, property management, and utility costs. Local bank account. Opening a local bank account may simplify transactions like paying taxes or managing rental income. No restrictions. Foreigners can purchase residential or commercial property in the U.S. without restrictions. FIRPTA tax. When selling property, foreigners may be subject to the Foreign Investment in Real Property Tax Act, FIRPTA, which requires withholding part of the sale proceeds for taxes. Financing. U.S. banks may offer loans to foreign buyers, but you'll need a larger down payment and documentation of foreign income or assets. Passport or government-issued ID. Proof of income, for example, pay stubs, bank statements, or tax returns. Legal residency documents, if applicable. Additional documentation depending on the country's requirements. Pros. Investment potential. Property in stable markets can be a great long-term investment. Diversification. Diversifies your assets across countries. Vacation use. Ideal for those who want a vacation home. Cons. Legal and tax complexities. Navigating laws and taxes can be challenging. Financing challenges. Mortgages may be harder to secure. Exchange rate risks. Fluctuations can increase costs. Do your research. Understand the market and legal requirements of the country you're buying in. Get professional advice. Work with real estate agents, attorneys, and financial advisors experienced in helping foreign buyers. Understand local customs. Closing processes and negotiations vary by country. Plan for extra costs. Budget for additional expenses, including taxes, legal fees, and travel. Buying property as a foreigner can be rewarding, but requires careful planning and local expertise. Be sure to consult with professionals to navigate the process smoothly. For personalized guidance, please reach out the award-winning realtor Syed Firoz at 470-269-0420 or email sphirozrealestate@gmail.com.